Hello, this video is to talk about the discriminant. That's the part of the quadratic formula that's inside the radical. So I'm going to be looking at the b squared minus 4ac component. This is an important part of the quadratic formula because it tells you how many solutions you're going to have. So I'm going to use three examples just to show this to you. So if I have, let's say, 2x squared minus 9x plus 5, and I want to do the quadratic formula. If I just do this part of it, I will know how many solutions I have. So if I do b squared right now, which is negative 9 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 5. Well, negative 9 squared is 81. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, times 5 is negative 40. And when I get my answer inside, I get positive 41. So when I square root that, I'm going to get two answers. Remember, this is plus and minus. So when the inside of your discriminant is a positive number, you're going to have two solutions, or basically two values for x. If I try another one now, I have 3x squared minus 7x plus 9. Again, I'm just worried about the discriminant to see how many solutions are possible. So I'm going to do b squared minus 4 times a times c, and negative 7 squared is 49. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, times 9 is negative 108. When I subtract this, I'm going to get a negative number. And since in real number sense, you can't square root a negative number, then we know that this number is going to be not possible, so there's no solution. And my last example would be if I had x squared plus 4x plus 4. Again, if I do b squared, 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times a times c, I end up with 16 minus 16, which is 0. So the square root of 0 is obviously 0, so then when I have that happen, I'm going to only have one solution. That means my vertex is probably, well, it is on the x-axis. So again, when you do the discriminant, if the inside ends up being a positive number on the inside, you know you're going to have two solutions. If the inside is a negative number, you know you're going to have no solution. And if the inside is 0, you're going to have one solution. That's the power of the discriminant.